Assalamu alaikum children. Today we are going to learn about professions. A profession is a job at which someone works and for which they have had training. It is what they do to get money or a living. Let's learn professions with the help of some pictures. He is a doctor. Doctor looks after our health and cure us when we are sick. She is a teacher. A teacher teaches the pupil. He is a police officer. Police officers help to maintain law and order. They arrest the thieves. They work at police station. He is a farmer. Farmer grow food, vegetable and cereals. They work on the farm. He is a cook. Cooks make tasty food and meals. They work in the hotels and restaurants. He is a pilot. Pilot flies aeroplane to transport passengers and goods from one place to another. She is a dentist. Dentists are the doctors who help patients keep their teeth, gums and mouth healthy. He is a carpenter. Carpenter builds or repairs wooden structure or their structural parts. He is a firefighter. Firefighters put off fire and respond to emergency. They drive their famous truck, wear a helmet, and use a fire hose. She is a nurse. Nurses help doctors look after our health. Students, always remember, all the professions are respectable. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.